Hello there. This is the Sounds American channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the American vowel sound I, as in the word it. You can also hear this sound in words like big, gym, English, or image. Please note that we'll be using a special phonetic symbol E for this sound. The I is one of the two most frequent vowel sounds in American English, but it exists in less than 20% of the world's languages, so many people may distort it or replace it with the E sound, as in the word be. Let's find out how to make this sound. Okay, to pronounce the I sound, you should focus on the correct position of your tongue. Slightly open your mouth, spread your lips, and relax them. Raise your tongue high in your mouth and push it to the front. The tip of your tongue can be lowered just behind your bottom front teeth. Remember, the I is a relaxed sound, so your tongue and lips should be relaxed. And your tongue should be at the front of your mouth. Now, let's try saying it. I, I, I. Now let's practice this sound in some words. You'll see a word on the screen and hear its pronunciation, like this. Big. You'll have a few seconds to pronounce the word if you want to. Let's begin. Bit. Chin. Chip. Click. Clip. Drink. Drip. Film. Fish. Fit. Fix. Hid. Him. Hint. Hit. Kick. Kid. King. Kiss. Let's pause for a moment and review the key points. Your tongue should be relaxed. Raise high in your mouth and push to the front. Let's continue practicing. Begin. Biscuit. Business. Dismiss. District. Finish. Image. Inches. Limit. Liquid. Picnic. Primitive. Princess. Sickness. Spinach. Ticket. Visit.
Windmill. Within.
Women. You're done. Congratulations. By the way, in most cases the I is written by the letter I, so spelling words with this sound is fairly easy. And more on the spelling. The I is represented by the letter I in 73% of words with this sound. Less often it's written by the letter E, like in the word English, or by the letter A, like in the word image, and sometimes by the letter Y, like in the word gym. Thanks for watching. Hope you find it useful. Stay tuned on our Sounds American channel.